baby birds. Okay.
We should have got out a little bit earlier. It's a little dark yet.
I gotta get into the light a little bit. It's opening its little mouth.
It's not very light out, Aaron. Don't touch them now.
Look at the babies, Mama.
They open their mouth because they think the mother's there to feed them.
They're so cute.
All of them are hatched, all 4 of them. Let's hope all 4 of them make it now. None of them die. Sometimes, you know, the weak one, it don't make it. You have to get out of the way now, Aaron.
Wait a second. I want to... Okay.
No, this really ain't a good idea for me, this homeschooling shit, because I suffer from anxiety.
Okay, Mom.
This is
be quiet about that. I'm making a video for YouTube.
I'm still not done watering, Aaron.
I know, but they're just so cute. Where's the mama at?
She's hiding. I got David to think about, Aaron, trying to get him some help and stuff. He's got a doctor's appointment next month. The cat does. Watch out. Wet these leaves.
Don't get the birdies.
I'm not, Aaron, but I gotta get the leaves wet.
What would happen if they got wet?
Nothing. They ain't gonna die. You think them birds out in the trees don't get wet?
They're itty bitty.
That doesn't matter. I'm not blasting them with water, Aaron. Tell Goofball Mickey to get out here and hand this up to me.
I can hand it up to you.
No, it's heavy. It's real heavy.
Mama,
when it's
I just
wet.
held
You drop it. You drop it, Aaron, and kill the birds.
Okay, that's all the video.